Are you looking for the best blender? In this video we will look at some of the best blender on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Professional BL610 Blender. This blender includes a large 72-ounce jar, perfect for serving up a large quantity of drinks when friends and family are around. It doesn't lack power either. Thanks to the included 1000-watt motor, Ninja offers up a functional blender that's great for home kitchens. With a large 72-ounce jar, you can blend large batches of your favorite drinks, or any recipes, when friends and family visit. The 4 different programming modes automatically help to combine your ingredients properly with Ninja's Auto IQ technology, making adjustments during the blending process as needed. With the built-in 1000-watt motor, we don't believe you'll find the Ninja Professional as underpowered. The included 6-blade assembly helps to crush ice faster and offer a smoother drink blending experience. While some blenders struggle with breaking up ice, the Ninja blender seems to have everything down to an exact science. The one thing Ninja doesn't have in its arsenal is a solid customer service team, so if your blender breaks, it might be a bit of a headache getting it fixed. If this blender doesn't have you sold, take a look at the best immersion blender to compare. Ninja also sells processor bowls that serve as food processor attachments in case a bowl-shaped blender would work better for your recipe. Number 2. Vitamix 5200 Blender. With nearly a 1400-watt motor, the ability to handle large 64-ounce batches, and durable industrial design, this Vitamix blender was designed for commercial and professional kitchens. That also makes it the best home blender you'll ever use. If you need the best for your kitchen or restaurant, the Vitamix 5200 blender is happy to play the role. With a motor reaching nearly 1400 watts, the Vitamix can tear through anything you need blended. The controls allow for precise variable adjustments so that you can select the perfect speed, mastering the texture of your recipes. The included specially designed tamper also helps scrape down the sides, without needing to turn the machine off in the process. The speed controls and included tamper overall make a great difference in the functionality and convenience of this product. Need to clean the Vitamix 5200? Just add water, a squirt of dish soap, and turn the unit on. It will heat the water and clean your blender jar with ease. The 5200 is a commercial product, so while it will work in home kitchens, you may find it to be a bit loud and bulky, not to mention very expensive. That being said, you may not go back to regular blenders ever again after trying high-end blenders. It's essentially the best blender for everything. Ascent produces other fantastic high-performance models with adjustable speed for your workout smoothies, like the Vitamix A2500 64-ounce container. This professional-grade blender is a useful tool with wireless functionality with the perfect blend app and a speed dial for simple controls and smooth results. Though it doesn't come with a true digital display screen interface, it still uses a neat digital timer when blending. This excellent value blender also comes with a 5-year warranty. If you're just looking for the best blender for green smoothies, click here to compare models. Number 3. Oster Blender Pro 1200 Blender. This blender has a powerful 1200-watt motor, featuring one-touch preset controls for your favorites, including smoothies and milkshakes. The company even throws in a free blending cup, alongside the 24-ounce jar. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 offers a powerful 1200-watt motor, perfect for chopping, blending, mixing, and crushing. The unit's one-touch controls allow for smooth operation with modes dedicated to smoothies, milkshakes, and salsa. You can also choose from standard, low, medium, high, and pulse settings. What's most interesting is the dual direction blade technology that can blend in both directions for improved operation. We also like that Oster includes a blending cup to go alongside the large jar. This way, you can easily blend your morning smoothie for on the go. No need to transfer anything to another cup. This feature makes this one of the most attractive options for personal blenders that you can get. The one complaint is that replacement parts seem to be scarce, with Oster customer support telling purchasers that components such as the blending cup are no longer available. Number 4. NutriBullet Blender Combo Blender. NutriBullet includes everything you need in this blender combination set, including a 64 ounces blending jar, 21 ounces blending cup, and 24 ounces blending cup. The kit also includes an easy twist extractor blade, which makes cleaning a bit easier. NutriBullet has been on TV as long as we can remember, reminding us about the benefits of smoothies. After taking a closer look at the NutriBullet blender combo, we think they might be the right company to dive into with a new smoothie addiction. The combo set includes the blender base and jar, as well as 2 on-the-go cups. You can easily blend your smoothie or margarita in your new personal blender, we aren't judging, and grab it the next time you head out the door. Whatever you're wanting to blend in a personal blender, this quality conventional blender is a great kitchen appliance to use on a daily basis for all your blending needs. The easy twist extractor blade makes it easy to clean, and the dishwasher-safe containers are also all BPA-free. If you have a bad back, this might not be the blender for you, however, as the base unit is quite heavy and takes some strength to move around your countertop. The NutriBullet's included cups make it the best blender for smoothies. This easy-to-use NutriBullet Balance Premium Blender combo would overall make a great addition to your kitchen space. Another famous food processor of the same manufacturer as the NutriBullets is the Magic Bullet, which you should check out if you may be interested in a smaller food processing appliance. Following research and long-term test runs on the Magic Bullet and NutriBullets, the manufacturer has designed 2 noteworthy products for your kitchen. If you want a budget pick instead, take a look at the best blenders under $100. Number 5. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. This Blendtec option provides professional-level blending, as well as a massive 4-sided 75-ounce jar that can tackle your biggest challenges. The Blendtec can even warm soup and drinks with blade friction heat in under 6 minutes. Blendtec first caught our attention with its extreme commercials that showcased electronic devices, such as iPhones, being blended. But the company kept our attention with the Total Classic Original. This blender provides a powerful and high-capacity option to kitchens everywhere. The large 75 ounces 4-sided jar can hold more substantial quantities of ingredients so that you don't need to blend in multiple batches. The powerful motor can also spin up to fast enough speeds to heat soup and drinks in less than 6 minutes, while the stainless steel blade has no problem chopping through food. These factors combined make it the best blender for soup. We have heard of a few quality control reports with the Blendtec, but it wasn't significant enough for us to consider it a serious issue. This blender isn't one of the best blenders for crushing ice, so if you're looking for the perfect margarita, look elsewhere. Number 6. Cleanblend Commercial Blender. The Cleanblend delivers 1800 watts of power, delivering one of the most high-powered blender options in our lineup. Due to its power, the Cleanblend can crush, blend, chop, grind, heat, process, puree, and liquefy. If you need the power, Cleanblend delivers with its commercial blender. This powerful blender offers up 1800 watts of high-speed control from its included base. You can use the unit to crush ice, blend drinks, chop nuts, grind pastes, heat soups, process vegetables, puree carrots, and liquefy due to the high speed at which the blades can spin. This isn't your standard kitchen blender, it stands up to professional, commercial, and heavy-duty cooking needs. What we love most about the Cleanblend is that it offers a money-back guarantee for up to 30 days. Don't like it, return it without any questions asked. We will say that the commercial blender is impressive, but it is large and might be a tight fit for some home countertops. But, if you have space, you won't regret your choice, and it's the best blender for frozen fruit thanks to its powerful motor.